Hello everyone. Is your computer lagging, freezing or taking forever to start? Then this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I will show you 5 simple settings that can make your computer instantly faster and smoother. So further ado, let's get started. The first settings is to disable your startup programs. For that, click on the settings. Now select the apps option. Now select the startup option. Here you will see a list of programs. Disable everything that you don't need to start up like Canva, Internet Download Manager, Microsoft Edge and etc. according to your needs. Now we need to turn off the Windows animation that eat up your RAM and CPU. For that, click on the settings option, click on the system, scroll down and go to the about section. From here, click on the advanced system settings. Now in the performance section, click on the settings here and select the adjust for the best performance. Now click on OK. Now your system will instantly feels more snappier. Now on step 3, we have to change the power option to the maximum level. For that, click on the search option and type control panel, open it and navigate the power option here and click on the highest settings available on your computer. In my case, I have the ultimate option here. If you don't have that, you can enable it by using a simple command prompt or you can use the high performance settings. Now in the fourth option, we have to clear the all temporary file and unnecessary data from our computer, which are occupying our space and our resources. For that, right click on your Windows and click on the run option here and type %temp and click on the OK and you will see some files. Select all and click on the delete option. This will delete all the temporary files. Now head back again, click on the run and type here prefetch. Click on OK. Now you have to give the permission. Click on continue and you will see bunch of unnecessary files which are occupying our space. Now select all the files and delete all at once. Now our computer is much snappier and faster. Now on the final settings, we have to run a system file checker option to fix all the corrupted files from our system computer so that our computer runs faster and smoother. For that, right click on your start option and open the terminal admin. Right here, SFC /scan. Now it will begin to scan every files of our computer to see if there's any file is corrupted. Then it will fix that file automatically on its own. And as you can see, Windows Resources Protection did not find any integrity violations. That means our Windows is totally fine and running smoothly and faster. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.